We are at the moment here at the Grafton train station. Yeah, we're going to book for a ride going to Byron Bay. I choose Byron Bay because this is one of the major places in Australia. I am now deciding if I am going to travel with the train or just bike. According to the gentleman inside, that a bike should be put in the box if you're traveling with the train or the bus. Yeah, we are at the moment crossing this bridge here in Grafton, and the vehicles is up there, and this is just for the walkers and the bikers. It's a very long bridge. And at the moment there is a construction, new bridge in there. That's the railway. Oh, there's KFC, Big W in this area. We are staying in that hotel, Quality Inn, here in Grafton. In front of that is this shopping mall, Grafton Shopping World. We're going inside to just eat in KFC. Yeah, good morning guys. We're going to check out now. I'm just checking things, maybe I forgot something. And the next destination may be Maclean, Casino, or maybe farther than that. But we're going first to have a breakfast somewhere along the way, and then I'm going to check because this camera, I was transferring all the videos from the GoPro to my computer, but it shows some failure to transfer some videos. Good morning. This restaurant is busy. I would like to have a cafe in there, but I am shy because there are many people. Okay, we just keep on going. Yeah, they have a they have a nice bike in here.
Yeah.
Look at that. I have the second one. Yeah, they let me borrow this chain lube. I don't know how to use this, but I'm going to put it here. If you see that lady, she stopped and speak to me that I am very adventurous. Yeah, we had a little conversation, nice. They are surprised and wonder when I mentioned them that I am traveling with my bike going to Brisbane. All of them says that's a long way to go. So good, I don't hear any more squirking, because I borrowed the WSD from the bike shop. But yeah, I bought a new tube for this bike, so in case I get flat again, I have something to change. If I am not mistaken, this is the popular Jacaranga Street here in Grafton. During spring, the colors of these trees, I mean the flowers, change to beautiful violet. Yeah. Look at this. In here they have a race course. A race course, yeah. Oh, we're going to have a breakfast here. Yeah, it is so nice. I think this is for me, this is my ideal kind of restaurant. If you look at the location, it is very nice. Yeah, it's like you see everything when you are inside the restaurant. This looks beautiful. I had a good breakfast in that restaurant. I was also able to fix the memory of this GoPro. The sky today is really blue. I'm not expecting any rain today. Oh, there is ambulance. Here in Australia, whenever there is ambulance, yeah, most driver they give way. Look at that truck. He stopped on the other side and let the ambulance pass there. Awesome. Our next destination, next stop is the casino. Casino is not a gambling place, but it's the name of the place, casino. According to Google Map, it's around 5 hours by bike and 1.5 hours by cars. But you know, when it comes to bike, I don't believe with the Google Map. I mean, maybe if you could drive straight and pass, you reach it by 5 hours. But you know, because I drive just 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, that is a relaxed driving. And usually the 2 hours drive is giving me like 4 hours drive. Yeah, that's what happened to me. But this time I will try to do my best to reach the casino, because casino from this place is 99 kilometers. Just now I realized there is bike lane on the other side. We are going there now. Yo, good, there is bike lane here, mate. To reach casino and to have my battery enough until I reach casino. That's two of my goals today. In this place also there are so many cows. If you don't know, in Dubai most of the most of the beef meat are coming from Australia. According to Google Map, I already did around 25 kilometers. And yeah, I started in Grafton until here. I don't know exactly the name of this place, but this one is near to Deacon. I don't know. And the battery of my bike, I still have full bar. And because I am using the battery just on the uphill when I'm feeling very tired. Yeah, that's the time I use the battery, the electric. Yeah. And this road has so many uphill. And I'm actually expecting more uphill. At least based on the Google Map, it shows that there are so many uphill until I reach the casino. Yeah, and look, the water I have, I finished one bottle of water already, but I still have one bottle here. And I also have here the coffee cup, the mug. It's also full of water. So yeah, when I finish all the water, I'm going to ask to the people along the way to give me some water. Wow, it is so good to drive without backpack. Amazing, because you know the temperature is really good, but it's still making me sweat because yeah, the backpack is touching my back. But now that I found a way to keep it in here, it feels really good. Feels very light. Nice. It works like that. Yeah, because you know I feel that I'm getting so much sweat in my back if it is in my back. That's why I decided to put it there. Yo, I needed to stop here. Oh, that smells. That truck smells. Yeah, I needed to stop here because I'm hungry. This one is coming from the hotel where I stay. 2 pieces of cookies. And according to Google Map, I already did 34 kilometers. Yeah, from Grafton to here. The name of the place is Banyaba. And according to Google Map, I still have 66 kilometers to reach the casino. From here, it says that it's just 3 hours and 30 minutes, but I don't really rely on the Google Map time to reach that, because you know, I drive relaxed and easy, so that may be 5 hours for me. And the time now is 2:26. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll be reaching casino by 7 o'clock tonight. The people in that caravan, they wave their hand to me. Some people, they just do their head like this. Yeah. Yeah, the Australian, they do like that. The Indian, they do like this. The Filipino, they do like this. Yeah, there's one restaurant here. Oh, grocery. Yeah, we're going to buy something.
All this nice new technology.
Yeah, easy.
Oh, I don't know, I find it very hard. Now, do you need a coffee? Okay. Well, you take a seat and we'll bring them out for you.
Yeah, nice. I don't know the name of the place, but yeah, I'll be having my meal here. Nice. That guy in the motorcycle, yeah, thank you. Can I possibly charge my battery? Yeah, what I'm saying is the guy, he is also touring just a motorcycle, Ducati, the brand of the motor. He started in Melbourne and he's also going farther up Brisbane. Nice. Yeah. And I will be having this delicious fish and chips. Yeah, that already is a big help. And somehow it is going to last a little longer for that battery being charged. The sun is setting down there. According to Google Map, travel time by bike to casino is around 2 hours and 30 minutes. You know, the good thing about today is that there is no sign of rain. That's why I can go drive even if it is dark. And there is no more sun. It's gone. But I don't know what time is it. Maybe 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. I don't know. I'm still saving the lights, the battery of my lights. I still have my reflector working, so yeah, for safety still. And the front light, I'm not switching it on yet because still not very dark yet. Hey guys, you don't believe what happened. Yeah, the bike is flat and it's very dark in here. There's no even lights. Yeah, the moon is half moon, but it doesn't give me enough light. Oh yeah, good thing I have this one. Yeah, this is a bicycle tube. Yeah, that was good. That's less than 30 minutes of attaching the new tube. And the good thing is a lot of cars are passing on this road, so I need to put this back and ready to go again. Yo yo yo, yeah, we are now 5 kilometers to reach the casino, the town of Casino. Yeah, from here I can see the lights of the houses. Yeah, compared to where my tire flat, there's no houses in there. There is no even lights. There are just cars passing through. I was not scared, just a little. Yeah, because you know there's no dangerous animals in here. No tiger, no lion that we are seeing in movies that are dangerous in the night. Ooh, baby, I love you, baby. Every day I wanna tell you I love you, baby. I remember when I was walking in the street of Canberra, I was walking in the park and I hear the sound of the I hear the sound of the kangaroos. They said like this. Yeah, and then I was scared because I thought they are going to attack me, but no. Wow, that's a long big truck. So yeah, that's the first boss. We are now in the town, and the next thing to do now is to look for a hotel, a place to stay, whatever it is. But it's good, I managed to keep the battery on until now. I still have 2 bars. I don't want to stay in a camping ground today. I want to stay in a hotel. Yeah, we arrived safely here in the town called Casino, and we are waiting for this. They are already closed, but we can do doorbell so that they will open. I already made a booking.